Hello guys, welcome back to the lovely trading video. In this one we're going to be doing a stock analysis on the ticker AMZN, which is Amazon. We have actually done a few of this. If you've been watching the swing recaps and the occasional day trading recap, we have gone over Amazon already because it was going to be coming into this key level of $3,238, which we did trade today. And if you want to check out that trade, go to the swing trading recap where we made about $2,500 on Amazon today. However, to get into it, our key level, which we did end today on, was that 32.38. However, it has done its strong bounce off there and hit our new target of around 3,300. So where do we see Amazon going from here? Well, we don't actually know, or we don't really have a good guess on whether it will continue up or down. So what we can really do is do price targets on the kind of trade. So what could quite easily happen with Amazon is if we zoom in, we are currently around this 3,300, which is this level here. So what could quite easily happen tomorrow is we open up, we continue up, and maybe not tomorrow, but throughout the next few days, we come up and try and test this $3,400 level, which is the median or the statistical mean as of right now. So if as Amazon comes into here, this will be a troublesome area for it. The 3,400 to around 3,460 will all be quite a hard area for it to break through, because Amazon is looking quite weak right now and there's no real change to the fundamentals to make it become back to being a bit more bullish. However, we could quite easily come into this $3,400 level, bounce off, come and retest this 3,300 level, and then go back up, retest it, most likely break through, test this $3,460 level. Again, we might get that same thing. It comes back to the 3,400, tests that, bounces off, retest this 3,400, and then if we can do that, we'll be most likely bullish and continue up for quite a while, and we could quite easily hit the $3,600 area, which wouldn't be unlikely. That would be our kind of price target, is if we can break through this new move. Obviously this could be quite a while away until we come into this $3,600 level, but if we continue up and we no longer make a new downtrend, as long as we don't go back down, we will most likely break up to the $3,400 level, and if we can break through this move, $3,600 will be that main target. Now let's go and look at it on the downside, or what could happen. So right now, again, we are at this $3,300 level, and what could quite easily happen is we're now testing this, fail, break down to the 3,330 level / 3,340 level, retest this, and either we could bounce back up and again do exactly as we said before, test this 34, bounce back, go through, test that, pull back before going higher. Or what could quite easily happen is we bounce off this level, come back down to the 33.38 level and just break straight through, and we could, and this is where my next support is. This isn't a statistical deviation but more of a manual placed support line. So if we come down to this 31.75, which I do think is actually a bit unlikely. I don't think Amazon will actually go lower than this $32.40 level, but always could. So that's why I'll give price targets to the downside. If it comes down to this 31.75, that is where I do think we will start seeing that bounce, and we'll probably just then start its uptrend. However, again, we could test it, come up to this 32.40, and then come back down. And again, if we break down further, our price targets even lower would be 31.30 all the way down to 30.80. These two I think are very unlikely. I don't think either of these will happen, at least in the near term. I do think we will most likely continue upwards from here on. However, if we do come back down, I do think this 31.75 will most likely be the end of the downwards move for Amazon, at least in the short term. So, hope you enjoyed the breakdown. Hope to see you in the next one, and that's it. Peace.